Okay, now coming towards the neuroglia cells of the peripheral nervous system, that contains only two types. The one is the satellite cells. They have the same function as that of astrocytes, but they are present in the peripheral nervous system, and they surround the ganglions and other cell bodies and the cell neuron masses to keep them at their place. And also they produce the blood-brain barrier there, and they regulate the microenvironment of the ganglions. And second are the Schwann cells, also known as neurolimocytes. They wrap around the axons and produce a myelin sheath, similar to that myelin sheath produced within the brain by oligodendrocytes. Right? I hope you have understood all these different types of the neuroglial cells and their functions.